So here's the mower handle. If you pull on the trigger on either side, where to pretend you're going to start the blade, it will display the power of the battery. I only have the one battery in right now because the other one's charging, but as you can see, the right battery is showing full, and it also has a turbo button. These levers are for the self-propelled part of the lawnmower. This is adjustable of a slow propel or a fast propel, and obviously you see that you can engage a turbo button to mow also if your grass is really thick. The mower itself, this is where the batteries go, right in there, and they're two 80-volt batteries. You just click in there, and otherwise it has the side discharge chute, which just connects underneath the mulch cover, and it also comes with a grass bagger with a plug thing that's inside there if you're just going to mulch or do the side chute. And it also has this one handle adjustment for how high you want the mower to be for your grass cut. You can adjust it easily for the entire mower with this one handle. Otherwise, I can click on this and show you what it sounds like. That's with the blade going right